Hey guys, welcome back to SFG Performance. Today is a different day. Today is actually Friday, May 10th. Let me check. Yeah, it is May 10th. So today we're going to do something a little different. We're actually going to go to a car meet today. I have a local car meet coming up. Well, not coming up, but it is today. We're going to go check that out in a little bit. Actually, in the meantime, what I'm doing right now is I'm editing the next video. That's also a different video. It's not related to cars, but it is an interesting video, so definitely check that out. It'll be out soon, or it should be out tomorrow actually. So I'll see you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Share this with your grandma, your grandpa, your mama, your daddy, and anyone else you guys know. See ya. Alright guys, I just ran about half a block. I'm out of breath, but the cops came, so it's pretty lit. Alright, give them a recap, yo.
We're in Mexico. We just had to do a scramble. We're on location 1. We'll see. Looks like people are starting to show up a little bit.
So there's quite a few people here. People down there.
I think this is the first time we had a good amount of people show up because the last few weekends it was rainy or the weather wasn't good. But the scene is starting to build up, and I think within the coming weeks it should get better. See you guys on the flip side.
Yep, so with that being said, it's like 3 in the morning right now. Actually, probably not 3, but 2 and some change, so we're on our way home right now. Kind of died out a little bit. See you guys home.
Sit down.